Good morning dear student. Today I will discuss about some important questions and formula of exponent. Right? Now express question number 1, express 98784 in exponential form. So now we can prime factorize the 98784 2 common 49392. In this way we come to factorize this. And we write here 98784 is equal to 2 is 5 times here, 2 5 times. So in that case 2 power 5 into 3, 2 times 3 power 2 into 7 power 3, since 7 is in factorization 3 times. This is the exponential form of 98,784. Now come to the question number 2. Find the value of minus 3 by 2 power 3 into minus 3 by 2 power 5. This is equal to minus 3 by 2 whole power 3 plus 5. In the case of product, powers are added. This is equal to minus 3 by 2 power 8. When we solve it, power 8 positive terms will be 6561 upon 256. 2 power 8 gives 256. Now question number 3, find the value 7 upon 5 whole power 5 divided by 7 upon 4 power 3. This is equal to 7 upon 4 power 5 minus 3, right? There will be, it is a minus 7 minus 3. It gives 7 upon 5 power 2. It is equal to 49 upon 25. In the case of division, powers are subtracted. Okay, now come to laws of exponent. A power m multiply a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. A power m whole power n, this is equal to a power m into n. Now AB, product of two terms, whole power m is equal to, individual the power be same, a power m into b power m, and a upon b whole power m is equal to a power m upon b power m. Now a power 0 is equal to 1. These are the very important formula of exponent, right? Dear student, learn these formula and solve the questions. These are very easy, right? So very important. Thanks for